There's absolutely no age limit on starting over. Whether you're 25 or 75, it's never too late to build something of your own. And that's why I chose the Legacy Builders program. It's flexible, done for you, and certainly profitable. Even if you've never sold anything online before, what I love about the program is you don't have any marketing costs because you promote your business on social media platforms and free classified websites worldwide. This is a global business. You can promote this business to anybody globally. In fact, it's more than a business, it's a way of life. It's certainly changed mine because now I'm financially free and I don't have to stress about money anymore. If you would like further information on my 6-figure blueprint and how to get involved in a community of 52,000 people who are there to help you and to make sure that you succeed online, put yes in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all the details.